Hi, this is Aman Kapoor from Your Insurance Guy. I hope you're well. And today I'm going to talk about one of the reasons relating to life insurance and living benefits. I was approached by a couple who was expecting a baby sometime in the month of May or June this year. And they, at this point in time in their life, they feel it's important for them to create a good financial nest egg, create financial security. And whilst they're thinking about financial security, they are thinking about life insurance most appropriately. Usually, when people are having a baby, or if they are buying a house, or if they are getting married, or whatever, these are important, we call them milestones in people's lives. And these milestones create a very valid reason for people to readdress or to address life insurance and living benefits needs. So, typically speaking, they wanted to make sure that once the baby is born, the parents of the child, that's them, are well covered simply because they have a huge responsibility. They're very passionate about, raising this child and making sure that he or she is, well brought up, given all the infrastructure in terms of future education and so on and so forth. Like all good parents, they are looking at the interest of the child. At this point in time, it's important for a family to look at life insurance, and we discussed two very major options. We talked about term life insurance and we talked about whole life insurance. Term life insurance is temporary life insurance which covers you only for a certain number of years, after which potentially it gets renewed for an extended period of time, depending on what is the duration of the term. And the cost of insurance remains the same for the duration of the term. So if you take a 20-year term, it is good. The premium or the cost of insurance remains the same for a period of 20 years. After the 20 years is over, the cost goes up automatically because you get insurance automatically renewed without any medicals done. So that's typically how term insurance works. And term insurance can be a good solution if you're looking at insurance solely to take care of that duration of time in your life when you are, looking after a young family. So for 20 years or 25-year term can take care of that period of your life when you are raising a family and your children are, going through school and university, and if anything was to happen to you, there is enough, resources for, to take care of their education or any other need that is important for the family. There is also something called permanent life insurance or whole life insurance or universal life insurance. These are all different names or different products within the umbrella of permanent life insurance. And permanent life insurance takes care of or covers you for your entire life. So it doesn't last for 20 years or 30 years or 25 years. It lasts forever. The cost of insurance is, of course, higher than term insurance, but the cost stays at the same level. It doesn't go up. The important thing of taking permanent life insurance is that it lasts forever. It's a guaranteed payout irrespective of when the death is going to take place. It'll always cover you. So there is tremendous relief to the family that its members have some permanent life insurance, simply because there is always going to be a payout whenever there is, the policy owner or the person insured passes away. So talking about this particular couple, they are leaning towards term insurance simply because it's cost effective for them, though they are exploring the possibility of taking some permanent. So it may take a shape of a combined policy where it can be a combination of term and permanent insurance, and I'll talk about a combined policy in my next video. They are also exploring the possibility of taking some critical illness insurance because it's important to have a living benefit plan that would protect them in case if one of them or both of them fall ill, get a critical illness, and at that point of time there would be a lump sum payout. So there are many options, but the most important thing is the intention. What I really like about the fact is that today there are many people out there who are extremely mindful of protecting and planning for the future. As long as you have the intention to plan for the future, as far as your financial protection is concerned, as far as your wealth preservation is concerned, as far as your estate planning needs are concerned, you will always be in a safe place. Why? Because your intention will always create a reason for you to explore the different options. And no matter what the options are, if you were to look at those solutions in a way and see how they match your needs, then you will always be in a good place. So I feel extremely humbled to explore the needs, the insurance needs of people, and I look forward to talking to many more people. Please feel free to contact me by leaving a message or right below this video, or you can email me with your questions, and I will be happy to answer them. My email address is also mentioned in the video in the note below, and I look forward to speaking to you. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.